So guys, do you know why you're here? Do you know why you're here? You know why you're here, Tori?
We're just in front of the camera. We're lost to everything. Just tell us our role.
Tell us what we're doing.
Alright, so I have spoken to actors, actresses about intimate scenes. But what I forgot was that you guys are the ones who rule those scenes. So I thought that you guys would give a more wholesome explanation or a more immersive insight as to what that experience was like. So, we'll start with the man first.
Alright.
So Alton, you do what one whole heap of man want to do right now. You know what that is?
The story.
Yes. Yes.
That means I need camera to see then, not you.
Yeah.
Camera to see.
So what was that like, Mr. Alton Garden? Tell him.
Well, it was unexpected. Remember we have to do that?
Impromptu, you know?
Yeah, impromptu.
We
It
felt
was-
like you would have gel the scene.
Yeah,
more, you
probably
know?
if we did actually know say if we do it and we do it, it would actually come out. But we think it
It
was
quick
good.
still. It look
Especially
quick,
the part when you run out of the room. Remember when you run out of the
Yeah,
room?
right. That's how it come like it just coming in your head. The spur
Yeah,
of the
that
moment.
makes
Yeah,
it
that,
look like.
that was perfect because probably I would literally do that for real in like in a real situation.
Yeah.
And when you
so
take
that
on
was-
a character, you take him
That was
on.
Alton
Right,
for real, right?
so
That's
that was Alton.
So what's going through your head, Tori? I remember the first time when you guys kissed, I remember it was like a sighting kind of thing, like you guys were unsure, and I was like, come on, just do it over and do the right thing. I remember that clearly.
Well, the first time, of course, I had the scene in mind for say, alright, we're going on a little embrace. So I never really expect it, but then when it's set that way there, man, I'm not the one to make the scene look no way. As long as this need to be done to make it look good, we just have to do it. And I see it in a moment, say, alright, this is what need to be done, so we do it.
That was epic. I'm just sorry, man. I should never actually get no. Probably if we.
Oh, you wanted a kissing scene with Shan?
No, it was just that. We never,
Everybody.
no. It was just that. I think it did need little romance with both of us.
I feel like we did have a lot of
No,
romance in
it
the
was-
beginning when we did up on the beach.
It was
and we did
okay
a-
for the abuse. It was.
Yeah, that's the
It was
thing.
not okay. No, it was not. But for the movie, it was okay.
That's the thing.
It was okay for the abuse, but I think we should have give a romantic
Nah.
scene, but it worked.
Nah, I feel
Right.
like
Yeah.
I feel like if you did put any more romance tonight, the fans or the viewers would have feel like, have a little
Yeah.
leniency on you, and
Yeah.
in this movie,
And it's good
there
that
was
they
no
know no
leniency.
leniency for me.
Yeah, right. That's all. You know.
So all in all, based on everything that you guys are saying, and this is really different from the young lady I spoke to first. This is really different because, or probably just because I made that do that scene there. To you guys, it's just a scene. It's just a kissing scene,
Right.
it's what is needed for the movie or for the message to go
Right.
right
yeah.
across.
Once we're behind the camera, we are in front of the camera now, right? Yeah. Once we're behind the camera, we don't.
So I mean it different from you. Are you trying to say if you kissing a scene a keen that
No.
it would be real?
What I'm saying is because you guys did acting, but I just think I'm one novice when it comes to the acting. I'm not like when females feel uncomfortable around me. So, like me did unsure, we never like me never know what I go on there. So like me did nervous. Me I say, oh John, I hope me not make this uncomfortable for or anything like that. But when I seem to have some kind of chemistry, that's basically what me I say.
Oh no, as in Alton and I.
Alton, yeah, hold on.
I say all the way who acted
Yeah,
this
yeah,
movie we ever seen.
You know, for me
but
and the
look at
camera,
it.
it's them. Come.
Give him back. I do agree that there is some chemistry between the three of we enjoy the
Each
same
other's
things
company.
and
Yeah.
most of the same things.
Mhm.
So
I'm a businessman, people, so therefore.
yeah, we're businesswomen and we also like to enjoy certain, what do they call that, de-stressing methods. So yeah, we click, the three of us.
We're good.